Simplesat allows you to create CSAT, CES, NPS, or 5-star feedback surveys that you can embed directly into your Xink email signature. Start by creating a survey in Simplesat. Select External Email Embed from the Publish section, then select Xink on the pop-up box. Click the Generate Embed Code button, make sure to select the visual option, and click Copy Survey. Now let's add your survey to Xink. Open your Xink account and click on the plus icon and select Design New Signature. On the HTML Signature tab, click the source icon on the upper left side and then paste the survey code that you've copied from Simplesat. Click on the source code icon again to preview and click OK. Just like with ongoing email surveys, once you embed the survey, everything will run in the background without any extra effort on your part. Got any questions or feeling a bit lost? Our awesome team is happy to assist you through live chat or a screen share call.